Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Well, it is cold. I've got the heater going in the garage, but Daddy has got some new shoes. Now, there's a funny story about these tires. I did some shopping around and found these on Amazon, and they were shipped separately. The first shipment, one tire, came from Nashville. The other three were coming from California. Well, according to Amazon, they were lost. I think they were stolen. But they canceled that and they asked me if I wanted a refund or a replacement. I got a replacement, and I was expecting them to send me 3 tires, but they sent me 4. And those came from South Carolina. So I've got 5 tires here, and I'm going to mount one of them for the spare tire. These are Falken Wildpeaks A T4s, 265/65R17s. They are the largest tire you can put on a 3rd gen Tacoma without a lift. Now, I've had the Falken Wildpeaks AT3s, and I have to say that they will dig. And they will dig in the mud, the snow, and I can really say with the AT3s were awesome. Now, these are the AT4s, and this has an extra load. I'm going to take a tire, we're going to compare it to what I've got now. Let's get to it. You can see the size difference. There's definitely time for new tires, but you can see that even with this, I'm going to get a small lift out of it, maybe half an inch maybe out of what's here, just by getting new tires. Let's get these shoes on. What do you say? Now, the other thing that I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take my wheel locks off my wheels. I was according to McGard and reference this video for McGard wheel locks. You cannot use an impact wrench. And I'm scared that even if I tell them do not use an impact wrench, they're going to use an impact wrench. So I'm going to take my wheel locks off and the lug nuts. I'm going to put my old ones back on, and then when I get it back, I'm going to put my wheel locks back on. So let's get these installed, and the next time I see you, I'll be in the future. So here we are. We've got them mounted and balanced, and I got to say, these look great. They feel great on the road, and I'm extremely pleased with these. I have to say that putting the new shoes on, these new Falken Wildpeaks, the handling feels a lot better on this Tacoma. Let me know what you think about the Falken Wildpeaks AT4s down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you've got to say about it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me in this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.